If lasagna feels complicated, this recipe will change your mind. Today I'm making a super easy beef and mushroom lasagna, no boiling the sheets and extra creamy. Start by cooking onion until soft, then add garlic. Add the beef and cook until brown. Now add mushrooms and cook until the liquid dries up. Stir in tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, salt, black pepper, then let it simmer until thick. For the bechamel sauce, melt butter, then whisk in flour. Slowly add warm milk, parmesan, and nutmeg and keep whisking until smooth and thick. Then turn off the heat. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce in the dish, layer lasagna sheet, meat sauce, bechamel sauce, and Happy Valley mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers and finish with lots of cheese on top. I'm using a 2-liter baking dish, perfect size for this recipe. Bake covered for 30 minutes. Then uncover and bake for another 15 minutes until golden. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then slice. Creamy, cheesy, and so comforting. If you like easy comfort food, don't forget to subscribe.